just introduce for the topic. So our next
Yes.
speaker is Dr. Sumit Shinde, as we all know. The topic for today is role of father in child's development, a topic which we all have been waiting for long. Yes, sir. Over to you.
Okay, fine. Hmm. So, good evening, everyone. And I think everybody's waiting for this topic, that father-child bonding and the father's role in child's development. It's a very close topic to my heart. It's not about what I've learned from the books and these things. It's This topic is all about what I have gone through, my own experiences, what I've seen parents, what I've seen my parents, what I'm seeing inside me as a parent of children, inside me as a parent of so many kids back at center. Because when I'm dealing with a child, I tell all my therapists that you are supposed to become the parent of the child. You are supposed to be, so that the parent outside sitting should not be concerned about 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 how my child is emotionally, and this thing is there. So this topic is especially the child learning center brings it in front of all. So I would like to just a moment. I'm not able to see. Can you see the screen?
No, sir.
No,
You can't see the screen? Oops.
no, it's saying has started sharing
Yeah,
screen. So
that's
you
Just a
have to
second. I'll stop sharing.
stop, and again you have to
Yes,
share.
and I'll. Yeah, can you see the sharing now?
yes, sir.
All right. So today's lecture is all about a father child bonding. Is one of the chunk from my lecture, or role of father in child development, or role of father in special child development. I don't call a child with a special or distinct. For every child, for me, the child is going to be a child and is going to be a child for. I always feel that before going to the father, every father is a man and every mother is a woman. So let's understand the basic characteristic features of a man and a woman, because most of the time this is something in yesterday's lecture also we discussed about the father's role, that single mother versus both the parents, ki what is more better. The better is when both of them are giving their 100%. Suppose if both the parents are there and they are not able to give 100%, then the single parent का जो तराजू होता है वो थोड़ा सा अच्छे की तरफ जाता है. So it's not about how many people are working on the child. It's about how many people are working or giving their 100% to the child. And I'm not saying how many people give their 100 hours to the child, 24 hours to the child, sit with the child, take the child. No, I'm saying how many people give 100% of their efforts to the child. No? So a man and woman behind a father and mother, they have their own characteristics. This I've taken gist of men's are from Mars and women's are from something a book. I just forgot that. The man the men are physically stronger. Not able to remove this screen. No problem. Okay, fine. The man and woman behind a father and mother, is the man is a physically stronger person, whereas a woman is an emotionally stronger person. Man is emotionally weak, woman is physically weak. Man, physical stress makes him more stronger. Woman, the emotional stress makes her more stronger. This is I'm not saying कि ऐसा ही होता है हर एक के बाद. Yeah, man from Mars and woman from Venus. Yes. Right. Thank you, Harshali madam. So this there is a criteria where the man ends, the woman's criteria starts. When the woman's personality ends, the man personality starts. In our Indian mythology, which is called as the Indian marriage system is called as the combination of both of them becomes one. Okay, and that Lord Shankara has nicely explained that Ardha Narishwar, where the both mother and father comes together, and they it's the story over there. Let's not go to the story, but this is something where the man ends, the woman starts, where the woman ends, man starts. So physical stress makes man stronger. Emotional stress makes mother or makes woman more stronger. Okay. When exposed to too much of emotional stress, the man will show either fight or flight. The fight and flight does not mean it's something like something I will just leave, but emotional stress, a man cannot handle it easily. And if he's exposed too much of emotional stress, then actually that will have a repercussion on his physical strength. So suppose अगर आज घर में कुछ झगड़ा हो गया, then a man will not be able to go to office and work properly. Okay, but woman, other way, she can do. अगर झगड़ा होता है, then also she will go to the office and she will have a nice day. Nobody will come to know that something has happened back home. So she knows how to handle her emotions, but man will say, "अरे आज मुझे काम करने का मन नहीं हो रहा." So if the emotions takes over the man, then he becomes lack in the productivity. Okay, so then that's how the man will show the fight and flight towards the emotional challenges. Woman will show more better towards the emotional challenges, but if she is exposed to the physical challenges, like child is hitting, child is biting, then the woman will show, I can't do anything, I'm done. Beyond this I cannot work. So this is where the man and woman stands differently, but when they combine together, they create one strong body, and which can win the world. But if they go apart, okay, then the world can win over them. Even a small child can win over them. Let me tell you, I repeat, if a man and woman comes together, okay, and they complement each other, they can win the whole world. Okay, but if a woman and man goes apart, okay, ये यहाँ जा रहा है, वो वहाँ जा रहा है, then even a small child, a 1 month old child, or let's not say एक 2 साल का पिट्टा भी ना, 2 साल का पिट्टा जो होता है छोटा सा वो बंदर, वो भी उनको ना पूरा दुनिया नचाता है. So this is something which is very important for parents to understand. So coming to this particular lecture, I don't share in front of the mothers. I exclusively take this lecture only for fathers, but I have just added a few elements and make it a bit more diluted for all the parents. So today's lecture is all about role of father in child development with respect to family, mother, and the role of father with respect to the child. So let's see a video. Just a moment, I have to change it. I have to go up. I have to start this video. Can you see the video? Please tell me. Can you see the video? Can you see the video?
No, sir, it's not playing.
Just a moment. I just wanted some time, that's why, no problem. Next. Okay, so if I want to share a video, what I'm supposed to do? Sushant, can you help me? Share sound, optimize for the video clip, and now I have to okay, can you see the video now?
Yes,
can you see the video now?
Just starting.
Can you hear the sound?
Sir, it got stuck again, I believe.
Can you hear the sound?
No.
No, it got stuck. We cannot
Stuck, yeah,
see the
that's why.
video. Yeah. No, you must not be.
Can you see the video now?
No.
No, sir.
Okay, just give me this thing, because without this I cannot go ahead. Give me a solution for this, Sushant.
Can you send this on WhatsApp or something? I will try to play.
Just a moment.
Yeah.
Okay, one attempt. Can you see the video now?
Sir, it is showing the picture, but it's not started, I believe.
Is it started now?
Yes, sir, yes.
Can you hear the
Yes.
sound?
Yes, sir.
Now this is the father for family. So when we go to when we enter in our building, when we are living in a building, when we are watching TV, when we are cooking, we have all the. Can you see the screen?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Just a moment. I'm not able to see myself. Okay. So when we live in our house, we keep looking at a nice interior we did. We watch at the valuable products we have. We think we have a gratitude about everything in these things, especially the tizori, especially the cupboards, especially things you belongs to. But one thing we neglect most of the time is the house, its walls, and beyond the walls there is a pillars. We don't be thankful to those pillars, do we? Do we say and come to and say, "Are pillar, you're thankful because of you. We are standing here. We are living in this house." Yes or no? So father is the pillar of the family. We can say family building, who is unknowingly holding the weight of the structure. Unknowingly, we don't know, or we are not aware, or we are aware somewhere in the subconscious कि जब वो काम होता है ना, जब वो बिल्डिंग का स्ट्रक्चरल काम होता है ना, तभी पिलर को तोड़ते नहीं है. So pillar is important, but that is unnoticed. That is not very much given credit to. So this is what a father is, who is actually the most important person. But most of the time in many families I have seen, okay, where we call them as an authority, but we are not thankful to the 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 responsible person who is actually working for 12 hours, maybe 12 6 months, maybe abroad, maybe in house, maybe in the office, to bring the stability in our life. So father is a pillar of family building who is unknowingly holding the weight of the structure and also gives the strength to the structure. So let's explore this father. So have you seen? I'm not able to see myself. This is the lecture I'm supposed to take it on. But can I see myself? How I can see myself here?
So you are visible.
I'm not visible to me. Okay, fine. So I'll just run in this way because. So let's explore this father. The role of the parents in the family is like they are complementing to each other. The father creates a vision, the mother helps to create the strategies. Whenever the parents comes to me, father doesn't speak much. Very few father speaks, but mother is speaking a lot many times because she says नहीं मुझे पता है वो क्या करता है, देखो वो ना ऐसे ऐसे करता है. Father says हाँ कभी कभी आई कांटेक्ट देता है, मैंने देखा है. नहीं नहीं वो कभी भी आई कांटेक्ट नहीं देता है, आपको आप अपनी दुनिया में रहते. So over there, the mother takes a lot of responsibility of the kid over there. But at the end of the session, at the end of the consultation, father asks me one question. Every father asks one question. Sir, okay, tell me the time where I want to see my child, where you see my child. Because he creates a vision. Because वो throughout एक घंटे के time में वो अपने मन में यही सोचता रहता है कि how I'm going to create a kind of a structure, a process for my child's development, or maybe for his behaviors, or maybe for his learning, which is a new challenge in front of him. So he creates a vision where mother goes home and she says कि okay मैं कल से उसको लेके जाऊंगी, and something happens, and she creates a small strategies. So this is what a father and mother comes together and then helps to start resolving the problem. Then father creates a structure. He creates a structure कि अरे 50 किलोमीटर दूर है ना, अरे 200 किलोमीटर दूर है, तो what I will do, चलो हम लोग वहां पर जाके रहते हैं, you stay there, I will just make ready everything, and then you stay there so that our child should be absolutely fine. And mummy works on the processes of daily therapies, daily responsibilities, all those things. Okay. Then father creates a finance. Let's take a traditional or cultural way of family. Father creates a finance for the family for the future, whereas mother works on the budget, and then father creates roles. Okay, this is my role, this is your role. Okay, child elder son, this is your role, and he creates the roles in the family. Maybe the extended family, maybe in the joint family, and mother works on responsibilities with respect to those roles given to her. Maybe in my family, I work on taking those big decisions, and my wife works on the micromanagement of all those things. At the same time, I work on the family integrity. My wife works more on the budget or the accounting system, which she's better at. So we have divided our roles over there. So we have created roles, and then we follow the responsibilities. So role of parents, like that. So father and mother's role in the child development. So father is a motivator person. Father motivates the child. It's not necessary that many mothers comes to me and says कि उनको पास time ही नहीं होता है. He doesn't give even 5 minutes to his child. So when it comes to a father, it doesn't mean that he's supposed to give time to the child. Okay, I'm making a very important statement. It's not necessary the father should give time to the child. It's very important that how father's presence and his absence. I mean presence, okay, maybe in office, but that presence in the minds is always there. And how that presence is created should be kept alive in the child's mind is a mother's responsibility. I'll come to that point. But the father, and once mother has done a lot of schooling, school से लेकर आई, घर पे ऐसे फलाना activities किया, and then कुछ चीजें की, आज हमने picture किया, and then father comes home, and when mother says, when father enters, when mother says, Papa, something like that, Yay, Papa! Now that energy is not about teaching the child to say Papa. Can you put it in the chat box? Ki, what are the intentions behind that Papa? Let's elaborate. I just wanted to make it more discussive, but I don't know how to make it possible. But let's put into a chat box that how that Papa, and then, like, what are the intentions? What is the kind of a message the child goes to the child when Mama says, "Yay, Papa!" Something like that. Yay! When Mama says that, okay. Sometimes Mama says, "Are dekho Papa aa gaye, dekho Papa aa gaye." Okay. So what are the intentions of mother? What can be the different intentions of mother? Okay. Or maybe we can say the biological intentions of mother has just behind that one word. I just want you to put it into the chat box. Okay, celebrating his presence, excitement. Why that excitement? Full of joy. Why I'm having Papa with us? Okay, ensure the social, exactly, ensure the social security that जो हम लोग अकेले रह रहे हैं यहाँ पर, अभी पापा आने के बाद we are secured. Okay, now you know जो एक मन में एक जो थोड़ा सा किंतु परंतु होता है हमारे सिक्योरिटी के बद्दल. ओके, दरवाजा खोलने के लिए यू नो कोई बाहर आया है कि नहीं, ये सब पापा आने के बाद ये सारे डर निकल जाते हैं. तो इट्स अ सोशल सिक्योरिटी. Yes, that's a very important thing. Yes, celebrating his presence. That पापा आ गए हैं, अभी हम लोग आइसक्रीम खाएंगे. Yes or no? Okay. Then पापा आ गए हैं, अभी हम लोग गार्डन जाने वाले हैं. Okay. But mother doesn't say that. Mother says, Papa, yay! All right. And then that one word, I always take this lecture in my in the communication lecture. When you speak, you don't transfer the words, you transfer the intentions, you transfer the emotions, you transfer the energy, you transfer your thoughts, you transfer your memories, like your the things which you have decided. Okay, you transfer your strategies also. So it's very important. Okay, so yes, by saying that word, our family gets completed. Yes, now no worries. अभी कोई भी आया घर पे को मुझ में मेरे मन में ऐसा डाउट नहीं आता है कि दरवाजा खोलना है या नहीं खोलना है. Okay, that Papa is okay. That Papa is equally important like Mama. But yes, Mama doesn't tell that in words. Okay, I one particular thing. I am not here to discuss the differences between mother and father. I'm just here to discuss the father's role in these things. One bad comment in the chat box, I don't allow over here. Ideally, I am taking the risk of taking this lecture in online presence. I take this lecture only in a very short, very small people group, and that too when I'm actually ready to take that lecture. So yes, I just request you people to keep your fears away. Just express if you have a husband, if you have a wife, if you have a father, just express that gratitude, and then you put it in the chat box. Think twice. So to say that our family is complete, feeling secured. What else happens when mommy says Papa? Yes, and do we say that, or it happens like a pillar? Okay, so most of the time when we say that one word, the emotions also comes out, that the person whom I love the most, the person who's going to help me when in my bad times, he has come. Today was an amazing day. It's a secure day that the best person has come back home. Okay. What else comes? What else happens when you say Papa? There are very few people does that. But what else exactly? What you try to transfer it? One more thing. Father have the barriers between the child and the father. Let me tell you, the father cannot reach to the child directly. In the family, The father cannot reach to the child directly, or child also cannot reach to the father directly. It is always the mother is the middle person who actually creates the connection between them. Yes or no? Please put in your chat box. Parents, yes or no? Right? It is always the mother who says, okay, that your father is the one of the greatest person in the world. Your father is a he-man. Your father is the most loving person for me. That's why you should love him. Your father is the very hardworking person that I know. That's why you should hard work. Your father is the most happiest person in the world. That's why I want you to be happy. Yes. So it never happens that. That's why there's a rule in the culture also. A man cannot adopt a child. Always a woman should be there. उनका sign होना बहुत जरूरी होता है, because she introduces father to the child. No. So coming to the role of father to the in a family. I'm sorry, this kind of a glitches will come, but we have to bear with that. So father is a motivating person. He empathizes. Empathizes means what? I would like to show. Sushant, can you play a video over there of Atharva playing cycle? Sushant? Is Sushant there?
Sir, I guess he's left for the day. I'll just check.
All right, no problem, no problem. All right, no problem. We will play that if it is possible. So father empathizes. अच्छा गिर गया, क्या हुआ, ठीक है कोई बात नहीं, चलो हो जाएगा, चलो खड़े हो जाओ, चलो साइकिल चलाओ. Something like this. Okay, like it's very important that father is a person who empathizes, who doesn't start crying if the family is into the trouble. You know, I remember in Nisarg, जब last time आया था निसर्ग बादल जो आया था, you know, at that time it was 1 o'clock that my child called me कि पापा ये पेड़ गिर गया पापा. जो हमारे my parents were in the farmhouse at Alibag, and there what do you say, the twister hit, and then it was a big disaster over there. And he just said कि पापा वो पेड़ गिर गया, उसके बाद line cut हो गया. And I got it from this thing, and I started at 1 o'clock, where the maximum effect of that तूफान का जो effect था वो maximum उसी वक्त पे था. And actually I reached at 12 o'clock night, you know, by crossing so many barriers, around 30 trees. I must have this thing with the वो अगर गाड़ी के बीच में पेड़ गिरा है तो वो गांव में जाना है, वो चाकू छुरी लाना है, साइड का तोड़ना है और वहां से गाड़ी लेके जाना है. My car had a very bad these things, but somehow I reached over there because I wanted to see my kids' safety and security. So it was very important that the father is a person who wants to be available in the disasters, who should be available in the disaster. You know, the father develops a courage. Father develops an attitude in the family. The way the father moves, the same way the family moves. If the father is low, the family will be having a low attitude. Yes or no? Please put in your chat box. And the father gives the security, and it also makes the whole family emotionally strong. Same thing, what is a mother's role? Mother's role is to love and care. Mother's role is to fulfill the day-to-day needs of the child. Mother's role is to develop tolerance. Mother's role is to day-to-day skills. Mother's role is to indoor attitude. Indoor attitude is created by the mother. How you speak to the people around, okay, in the family, with दादाजी के साथ कैसे बोलना है, दादी के साथ कैसे बोलना है, चाचू के साथ कैसे बोलना है, डॉक्टर सुमित के साथ कैसे बोलना है, that is decided by the mother in the family. Okay, but how to talk to the people outside, or how your communication attitude is going to develop, you know, maybe how to talk to the outside people where they are, or maybe in a futuristic way how your accent is supposed to be, that father develops, you know. So outdoor attitude is developed by the father. The indoor attitude is developed by the mother. You know, it depends upon what in that attitude what you are trying to transfer to your child. Be it a special child with a special needs, or be it a child with a neurotypical child. Okay, It's absolutely one biology that it happens in this way only. So, and mother develops emotion, father develops courage. Mother develops emotions, रोना है, हंसना है, mischievous चीजें दिखाना है, अलग 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 चेहरे के expressions दिखाना है. That is developed by the mother because mother is emotionally strong. Emotions cannot be expressed without expressions, and those expressions the father is not having that because he's a physically strong, emotionally weak person. So most of the time the expressions does not come on father's face, you know. So there are very few parents, you know, the very few fathers I have seen, and I have seen many more of them during the online sessions. Actually, hats off to those people. I saw that it's an amazing thing that they are developing their child. When mommy saying by car is coming, and this is happening, but father say, "Arey chalo car ho gaya, chalo, arey car ko aisa nahi, arey udhar nahi, idhar leकर aa jao." So father will not be able to give those emotional expressions. There are exceptions. Okay, so father's and mother's role in the child development is different. We need to understand that. Now, importance of mothers in the father-child bonding. I said the mother is the middleman or the middle woman or middle person, let's say middle person in developing the connection between father and the mother. Okay, तो बचपन में एवरीबडी लेट्स पुट इन चैट बॉक्स, बचपन में जब आपको पिकनिक के लिए पैसा चाहिए था तो आप डायरेक्टली पापा से मांगते थे या मम्मी से मांगते थे? जब बचपन में आपको I'm not able to see any kind of this things. Yes.
Should I read out, sir?
Yeah, please. That will be great.
So most of them have answered through mother. We all used to ask the money
अगर
from
कोई भी
the
बड़ा
father
काम
through
करना
mother.
है तो क्या डायरेक्टली पापा के पास कोई जाता? तो बहुत कम रहेंगे पापा के पास जाते थे, लेकिन definitely it is more of mother who was involved in that, right?
Sir, are you able to see now, or should I read it out?
Yeah, please give me the.
So most of the parents have answered the same thing through mother. Due to some fear or risk, when we need money, we used to always ask mother to pass it on the message to father.
Right. So बहुत कम लोग रहेंगे जो डायरेक्टली पापा को जाके मांगते थे. Especially he was the man, money, authority and a need. He was the man, okay, कि उनके पास मनी भी है, उनके पास अथॉरिटी भी है, तो डायरेक्टली बच्चा पापा के पास नहीं जाएगा. कितना भी ज्यादा पापा के साथ बोलता रहेगा, लेकिन अगर कुछ चाहिए तो वो मम्मा के थ्रू ही उनको जाना पड़ता था या हमें जाना पड़ता था, right? So importance of mothers in a father-child bonding is the child is watching how you behave with the mother. Now, here, every child is emotional about mother. Every child is emotional about the mother. Okay, so yeah, daughters definitely approach to fathers directly, but that's an exception. It is because the fathers have a lot of love towards the daughters. We will keep it just aside because disability happens more in boys. Okay, so the child is watching how you behave with the mother always. This is a message to all the fathers, and not necessarily that you are how you what you speak वो बच्चे को समझ में नहीं आता है. बच्चा हर चीज देखता है कि आपके facial expressions क्या है. To the best person that child knows, that is mother. So how you talk with her, how you deal with her, how you hug her, how you give a flying kiss from the balcony, how you shout at her, how you order her, how you caress her, what kind of expressions you give it to her. Are you ignorant? Are you very much accepting her these things? Everything, be it a special child or be it a typically neurotypical developing child, the child is aware the connection between you two. That's why even a 1.5-year-old child understands this connection, and he can nicely manipulate both of them if their expressions are not matching, mother father expressions are not matching. So the child is watching how you behave with the mother. That's a very important thing. No? The study says that more the bonding between father and mother, more the child is emotionally stronger. Okay, more the mother and father are actually, they are friends of each other, they have friends, they are friendly with each other, they're having a joy, they're having a fun, they're having a lot of chit chats, they have a lot to share their experiences. Aaj kya hua, aaj aise hua, aaj waise hua, acha aise hua. Okay, so many things when they share with each other, that's something like bonding between father and mother. Jitna zyada hoga utna zyada बच्चा इमोशनली स्ट्रांग होगा. एंड व्हेन मदर एंड फादर क्रिएट्स अ टीम, द चाइल्ड डज नॉट शो एनी मैनिपुलेटिव बिहेवियर. फॉर एग्जांपल, अगर मम्मी ने बोला नो मोबाइल, ओके, देन चाइल्ड विल गो टू द फादर एंड विल स्टार्ट क्राइंग टू मेक हिम अनॉयड. एंड देन फादर विल से, अरे यार दे दो ना, मैं तो थक के आया हूं, दे दो यार उसको मोबाइल. दैट मीन्स द मदर एंड फादर आर नॉट अ टीम. बट इफ चाइल्ड गोज टू फादर एंड से, बाप रे मैं तो नहीं दूंगा, मम्मा मुझे डांटेगी, नो बाबा, नो 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 नो, समथिंग आई कांट डू दिस, then the child will always feel that these are the team people. The child will always follow both of them together. That's why I said if they work together, they can win the world of the child. But if they are not working together, then the child can win over them anytime and with a lot of nakras and this thing. So this is a very important thing for all the families who are listening to me. Okay. Next is managing spouse. What's spouse? Now father being an authority. Now father being an authority of the family, it has to. I always say authority does not mean, authority happens with two things. One is by designation and by the superiority. Okay. So designation is like I am the father, and superiority I'm the strongest person. So that is the one kind of a definition of the designation. But authority. But the actual definition of an authority is the person who fulfills your needs with the way you want, okay, with the way you expect. So I'm not going towards the behaviors, but needs, like what are the needs the mother has. Okay, mother wants attention, mother wants appreciation. Okay, अरे वाह आज का ये पकौड़ा तो जबरदस्त हो गया है, इतना सुंदर पकौड़ा मैंने कभी नहीं खाया था, ये लास्ट टाइम से अच्छा हुआ है, अच्छा थोड़ा सा तीखा है, थोड़ा सा मीठा है, थोड़ा सा ये है. दैट यू डोंट हैव टू से, बिकॉज द एफर्ट्स आर गिवन 100%. एंड 100% एफर्ट्स को वो 100% मोटिवेशन होना चाहिए, चाहे वो पकौड़े का 60% अच्छा हुआ हो, बट एट 60% itself is 100% in terms of that. So always give that appreciation. Next is direction. Okay, direction is very important, where most of the time in the families they take each other granted. That father comes or he says कि वो खाने के लिए बैठते हैं, तभी वो बोलते हैं अरे आज चिकन नहीं बना है, मुझे लगा तो आज चिकन होगा. अगर आपको चिकन चाहिए था तो आपने आफ्टरनून में बोलना चाहिए था एंड पूछना चाहिए था कि अगर वो है क्या, या शायद मैं आपको कुछ मदद करूं क्या, मैं आते वक्त मैं लेकर आता हूं. Okay, most of the time the communication doesn't happen. We expect non-verbally from each other, and that's where the problem happens in the family. Okay, anyways, I'm not going towards the family problems and mental health. I'm saying here the child is understanding by your non-verbal communication and your internal conflicts. The child understands far better. A 8-year-old child, when the father says, I want अरे आज चिकन नहीं हुआ क्या, then the child starts creating a havoc. If he has some conflicts with the mother in the afternoon, child will say मुझे भी चिकन ही चाहिए, मम्मी चिकन क्यों नहीं बनाया, and that child will give a kind of a synergy to the father's these things, and then father gets provoked unknowingly, and then the quarrel happens. दोनों को समझ में भी नहीं आता कि आग किसने लगाई थी. Okay, so this is something happens where the direction should happen in a proper way, in a concrete way, and if it is happening, you should get a kind of a feedback. If it is not happening, you always give a feedback. Okay, so that is a direction. Most of the time शादी को 4 साल हो गए, 5 साल हो गए, तो अभी क्या है, अभी ऐसे ही जीना है, ऐसा नहीं होता है. We need to talk, we need to communicate. आज क्या हुआ ऑफिस में, आज क्या हुआ घर में, ये बहुत सारी चीजें इंपॉर्टेंट होती है. More you speak with each other, more the child is going to develop his communication. More you share your experiences, more the child is going to learn how to share the experiences. More you give the directions, more the child is going to learn how to talk with how to ask for his own needs. Okay, more you listen to each other, more the child's receptive communication is going to develop. Okay, when father comes, अरे you know what happened, आ जाओ मैं तुम्हें दिखाती हूँ, यहाँ पर ना आज एक बड़ा सा लीजर आया था और हमने क्या किया, वो झाड़ू लिया चुप 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 और वो चला गया, and the father is saying अच्छा 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 ऐसे हुआ, अरे बाप रे अरे बाप रे. Then the child is indirectly understanding how to share those memories rather than I feel rather than using some softwares and something like to teach them, okay, this is a red apple, okay, apple is under the table. Rather than that, just follow that. The biology will take its place and the ontogenetic developmental pattern, which is already there in the child, it will develop for sure. So it's very important that what we speak, how we direct, how we listen to someone, the child is understanding from us. Okay, next is support to the family.
Sorry to interrupt. Yeah, we have 5 minutes only.
No, I cannot complete in 5 minutes because we have already started late. It's very these things. I'm sorry. So now that is, so two things we discussed. That is, one is family, father's job towards mother. I discussed. Now father's job towards a child. Okay, father-child bonding or father's important role in the child's development. So I would like to show you a video. But before that, I would like to tell you the father can go at any level and can break any rule of the society to fulfill the child's deserving needs. Let me tell you that. Okay, so let me check. Can you see the video?
No, sir. It's still stuck. Only blank screen.
Yeah, just a moment. Can you see the video now?
Yes.
Can you hear the sound?
Yes.
No, sir. Not now.
So was it visible video? So in this video, we could see the father can go to any level of stage, or he can break any kind of a super ego to help his child to survive in this world. No? For every child, his father is a superhero. Either he's a Superman, or he's a Spider-Man, or he's a most energetic person, or he's a most best mentor, best friend. He's a best lover. Why? Because he sees the father is loving his mother. He's the coach, he's the teacher, he's the financer, he's the leader. So father has a the child has a kind of a imagination about a father. So what do you think about your dad? What if I want to ask you what you think about your dad in terms of when you were a child? What kind of a imaginary symbol? What kind of a symbolism you used to give your dad? Just put it in the chat box. Yeah, you can read it for me.
So should I read it out for the parents'
Please,
comment?
please. Yeah.
So most of them have said he was a superhero, a supreme person for us.
Right. So when it comes to an authority, we have to fulfill certain needs of our subordinates. So it can be a head in the organization. We have to fulfill the needs of our subordinates. Just like a father being a boss of the family, he has to fulfill the needs of the mother. Okay, fulfill the needs for the family and fulfill the needs for the child. So what a child expects from a father? Involvement. I'll give you a very nice example over here where I brought a cycle for my child and I used to go down and we used to drive cycle down. I used to teach my child how to drive cycle. He's learned, but I used to be there with him. You know, his friend also started asking for the cycle with his father, and then ये 6-7 साल की पहले की बात है. And then when Atharva was just 4 years old, and then he said कि अरे डॉक्टर सुमित आपने कहाँ से ये साइकिल लाया, जरा मेरा भी बच्चा उसके पीछे पड़ा है. तो I told him okay ऐसा ऐसा करो. He brought the cycle and he said okay. एक हफ्ते के बाद साइकिल तो आ गई थी लेकिन वो नीचे नहीं आया था. तो I asked him what happened. वो नहीं आना चाहता. He said कि नहीं वो आना ही नहीं चाहता है. I said okay fine. So I asked Atharva ki just talk to your friend what happened. Now his friend was 5 years and he was 4 years. He said कि पापा नहीं आते तो मैं भी नहीं आऊंगा. So actually the child didn't want the cycle. Okay, the child thought that Atharva's friend thought कि अगर वो साइकिल है तो अथर्व के पापा भी उसके साथ आते हैं. ओके, सो अगर मैं भी साइकिल लेकर आऊंगा तो मेरे भी पापा मेरे साथ रहेंगे. That was the idea, that was the strategy behind asking that cycle. But unfortunately, Mr. Gupta was not ready or he was not having enough time for his this thing. So then we had to do some ideas on Sundays and we had to bring him down and we had a lot of fun later on. That's a different thing. But here it was very important that child wants involvement, and that the child wants a compassionate involvement, not just involvement. ये ले लो बेटा साइकिल ले लो जाओ जाके खेलो. That doesn't, the child doesn't want that. The child will always ask for your masculine involvement, your power based involvement, your play based involvement, and child will always see that my papa is looking at me, and that kind of an acknowledgement non-verbal child will always seek from the parent. Next is attention. Third is appreciation. Fourth is direction, motivation, support, affection, love and belongingness. I don't have to say this because you all know the criteria of it exactly what is. But the example what I gave you, the involvement, if involvement is not at its 100%, then you give your child 5 hours or 7 hours, or you leave your job and you sit at home and try to deliver development to your child, but child will not do it. But sometimes you are only 5 minutes, okay? You are only 5 minutes and you get involved 100% in his whatever he's doing. That 5 minutes works as 5 days of what mother could not do in those 5 days. Let me tell you that. So that's why in the beginning I said father's involvement, the time is not a criteria. The criteria is your 100% involvement in that. So whenever we are at home, after coming from office, how much of father is present inside us? That I always ask a question to the fathers that I get 20%, 30% because we have a preoccupied with certain falana things, preoccupied with the news, some leisure, some kind of a cooling down period. But that is the period which your child will ask for you at his best. So the needs of the child is your involvement, attention, appreciation, direction, motivation, support, affection, love and belongingness, safety, security, and care. I'll give you one more example. I had scratches on my cars. I was staying same time, and it was like the I didn't say anything, and Atharva said, "Papa, car kharab ho gaya." I said, "No problem, koi baat nahi beta." But one day, what happened? उसकी जो साइकिल थी नीचे रखी थी पार्किंग में. ओके, तो वो साइकिल किसी ने गिरा दी थी. तो at night 2:30 a.m. I will tell you, 2:30 बजे रात को, I created a havoc in the society, because you can touch my car, that's fine, I will take care of it, but nobody has a right to touch my child's cycle because that is that has no value. It is very precious for me. So after that, nobody touched my child's cycle, because my child is my pride. Okay, and if my child is my pride, for my child, I am also the pride. So it's very important that this is just a 5 minutes of 5 or 10 minutes, something happened in the society premises, but after that my child, whenever he keeps the cycle, he knows that his cycle is going to be safe because Papa is going to be there. Papa is there, so cycle safe hogi zarur. Okay, so this kind of an understanding, the father don't have to give 1 hour or 2 hours. The 5 minutes of all this criteria is more than enough to develop a parent-child bonding, or to develop a father's involvement in the child's development. Okay, sometimes fathers are abroad, after 4 months they are coming, after 6 months they are coming, maybe after 1 year, maybe after 20 days, maybe after weekly basis. Where father is in a Nagpur, mother is in a Mumbai, तो like weekly wise 15 days में एक बार मिल रहे हैं, लेकिन वो जो मिल रहे हैं उसका जो आपका इन्वॉल्वमेंट होता है, that has to be 100%. अगर आपका इन्वॉल्वमेंट नहीं आप दे सकते हैं तो don't go, because that is going to create a ruining the relation with your mother and relation with the child also. So father don't have to. And one more thing that many mothers says that, sir, उनको जरा बताइए ना, थोड़ा सा उसको पढ़ाए, उसको लिखाए, उसको ये करें. This is not the father's job, let me tell you, because fathers has less patience. अगर उसने एक गलती किया मान लेंगे, दूसरी गलती किया मान लेंगे, लेकिन तीसरी गलती होने के बाद ना, it's like let me go on office and let me convert this time into the cash, like we can say, into the profits. But over here I don't have enough patience, because fathers are physically strong but emotionally less, so they don't have enough patience. So father taking child study, it's a rare moment, but father playing some masculine game outside of the house, it should be a very, very, very frequent moment, and more frequently it happens, then you can create wonders in your child's development, let me tell you that. Okay, so it's important that father should not be taking his studies and doing his activities, but father should be involved in the creating vision, that where I want to see my child after 1 year, where I want to see my child after 2 years. And then when he writes his goals, then automatically the goals drives the father, drives the mother towards that vision. That I always tell the parents to do so. Then involved fathers develop, whenever I call it as fathers and involved fathers, non-involved fathers and involved fathers. Involved fathers, and if I see the child, I always see this kind of a criteria. The child has a social security. जाओ बच्चा uncle के साथ खेलो, father says, mother says, बच्चा आ जाता है क्योंकि उसको पता है papa and mama is going to take care of me. But if the child is, if the back family, अगर family में थोड़ा सा भी अगर यहाँ पर अनबन है, the child would not want to leave the family. Child will show a lot of separation anxiety. If the father is dominating over the mother, child will show separation anxiety towards the mother. If a mother is dominating over the father, it will not happen that much, but still, there has to be a kind of a synergy, and then that we can see as working as in a mental health profession, we can see all the emotions that what child shows is a repercussion of what happened back in the family. That's very, very, very important. At the same time, what kind of a respect the parent gives us, we can see it on the child's expressions, that exactly what respect we are getting it from the family. So it's a very important that the involved fathers develop social security, emotional security. Father says, "Koi baat nahi, main aa raha hu na." Child, बच्चा शांत हो जाएगा, because he respects father's words. क्योंकि father ने एक बार बोला तो बोला, he is going to come for sure. Papa, I'm going to okay, Sumit sir or Somil uncle, we are going to play, no problem. So then called as a gender identity in sons, that is something more important. The masculinity, father transfers the masculinity to the child with his power, with his muscles, with his handling, with his rough handling, with his lot of फिजिकल मोटर प्ले. एंड जितना ज्यादा होता है उतना वो अगर बॉय है तो उसका आइडेंटिटी एज अ बॉय will be more better, let me tell you. And emotionally he will become a boy, but If the father's involvement is not that much and mother is more predominant, and if it is a boy, the child has more chances, not more chances, but I've seen the child is more emotionally labile, more emotionally these things, and child is more crying and showing all the sorts of emotions for small little things. Then we come to know, okay, the father is not involved much in the child's development. If the child is showing more of an emotional lability, if the child shows more of a free child attitude, then we see, okay, there is the father is strong person in this in this criteria, and then we actually call the father during the reviews, and we take the notes down. What exactly you are doing, So this is something like a gender identity in sons. Mental strength to girls. Now, one of the parents said, okay, the girl directly can approach to the father. Girl gets very happy to see the father. Let me tell you, girls will become more happy to see the father. There is a term called by Freud, the Sigmund Freud, ने एक term दिया था, Oedipus complex. The girl always competes the mother to be close to the father, and son always competes the father to be close to the mother. That's term called Oedipus complex. It's a very wonderful theory, and it's a very valid theory. Okay, you can actually see it in the families. Dr. Nikita, you can type it in the chat box. Oedipus complex. Next is mental strength to girls. So mental strength to girls. The strength is always our father, not the mother most of the time. Physical development, the physical masculinity, the proprioception seeking child. You don't have to give them activities, or you don't have to give them those weighted cuffs. Just ask the father to be rough with him. Absolutely, the child will develop that masculinity. Absolutely, the child will develop the proprioception seeking, will go within days, which the mother otherwise will not be able to do it in that efficiently. And last is cognitive development. Cognitive development, I will call it a दुनियादारी. अगर दुनियादारी अगर सीखनी है तो शायद मदर नहीं सिखा पाएगी, वो शायद वो फादर ही सिखाएगा, या कोई एक एडल्ट man ही सिखाएगा to how to deal with the society and society challenges. So this is the actual role of an involved father's development. Now let me come to the topic special child. Special child, okay, your child is 8 years old, but if we suppose he's showing a 2-year-old child development, then you have to go to his level of development and then show the masculinity. Maybe 8 साल के बच्चे को आप उसको लेंगे और उसको पकड़ के रखेंगे और भी मैं तेरे को नहीं छोड़ूंगा, पकड़ो 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 पकड़ो, and then you are playing that, and then child is enjoying. You are actually satisfying the physical motor needs of the child at the social age 2 years. So over there, that maybe your therapist will guide. And then I feel in the last lecture I said that why CRC is successful in creating the best child development model, why CRC creates the fastest development, and why CRC is getting a popularity. It is because of that. The smallest element of the environment is understood, and its roles and responsibilities are given to them, and then the therapist does his job. And when they do their responsibilities, the child development is an amazing and faster process in day-to-day process. It will not happen in a monthly process. It will be a day-to-day, moment-to-moment process. So children with good father-child bonding are confident, high self-esteem, feel secured, adaptive, develop maturity faster. Children with good father and mother bonding don't have to find friends outside for the emotional support. Different values fathers teaching to every child by his behaviors, like communication skills, public speaking, presentation, time management. I don't want to go there. This is for not valid. I just want to give you one more video, and then I would like to conclude this session. So I'm just stopping the share. Let me follow the criteria. Okay. Now. Nikita, just tell me whether you can see the video or not. Can you see the video?
Yes, sir, but it's not played still.
No, I'm playing it now.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Nikita, can you hear the sound?
Yes, sir.
How easy it is for us to forget what it was like when we were once family. The times we shared. How easy it is for us to forget and love. How easy it is for us to forget how to smile. It's easy to forget. But it's even harder not to love.
Ma.
So when it comes to emotions, when it comes to a problem in a family, when it comes to a very, very big problem in a family, then automatically the father who's supposed to be a fighting and flighting person, takes the charge of the condition, and then he starts leading from the front, and he becomes the lead in the child's development that I have seen in many fathers. So especially if the child is actually severe, if the child is actually not manageable by the mother, then I feel this video can help, or this kind of a thing, this lecture will definitely help to all the men over here who will definitely be an active member of their child's development. So thanks a lot for this lecture. Thanks a lot. I'm extremely sorry for the late. At the same time, the presentation is not so simple to use so many videos and all. But I hope that I could deliver the gist of role of father in the child's development. So I'm open for the lecture. I'm open for the questions.
Thank you so much, sir. So to summarize with the lecture which you have given today on the role of father in the development of a child, it was a very beautiful lecture, which was very well explained and showed how the father's importance is there in the development of a child. Like you rightly said, we can develop a lot of emotional aspects with the mother, but the attitude of the child to fight the world, to deal with different things in the world, to deal with different kinds of people, different kinds of minds in the world. Always a child looks at the father. how the father is dealing with the world around or fighting with issues, problems happening around is what we learn always from our parents, emotionally from the mother, and our attitude always develops from the father. That was very rightly said by you. Also, the father's impression on the child is always to be created, like you said, with his absence or presence, with the help of mother's emotions connected to the same. So the head of the family, the father, takes a lead not only in the need of our, but always silently is present for his kids and family, unknowingly doing a lot of structural work, which results into giving them simplified, I would say, process in day-to-day living activities, or everything. The father, I could say, always judges a storm coming ahead and will always make up preparations for the same and keep silently without the family knowing the same. So thank you so much, sir, for enlightening us with this. Definitely, both the parents' role is very important in the development of the child, but how a father can always be the pillar of strength. Like you rightly said, sir, whenever there is a building, we are doing any construction work, we need to renovate it, we will never touch the pillar because that is on what my building is standing. So my pillar, the stronger my pillar is, the better support the building gets. That is the way. Always the pillar is stronger. We just sometimes don't get to see about it. So thank you so much, sir, for enlightening us for the father's role in the development of a child. I would like to just take few queries. Yeah, so I think, sir, you've explained it very nicely to everybody, and
No queries.
everybody is no, there are queries, but everybody is emotionally touched. I am personally touched with the last video which I saw, which was very beautifully explained that how in the need of storm, the father was available silently for the child, and without knowing, one day he saw those baby steps coming again from the child. Yeah. So there is one query in the chat box. My Okay, so one of the parent is saying my husband is not realistic about my son's future and development, and I feel very burdened due to this. I need his support for helping my son. How do I explain?
Yes, I will give you a phrase and you just following it. No, that the same phrase we follow in the CRC on also. Start doing what is necessary, then do what is possible, and soon and keep working on the keep implementing it. Start doing what is necessary and then do what is possible. And with respect to touching the emotional aspect of your husband is not realistic because he's into the flight mode, because he cannot stand in front of the child, because he's not able to know exactly what I'm supposed to do. That's why he may be into the flight mode that every father does. If my child is actually in a pain, so wherever there is a sympathy based thing, is empathy based, I will do it, but I cannot see the tears in their eyes, I just go out. That happens. So it's very important that father emotionally बहुत जल्दी जल्दी उनकी physical strength भी कम हो जाती है, and then they feel if अगर मैं गिर गया तो building नहीं रहेगी. So don't take your husband in a wrong sense. Your husband is more emotional than you, but he's don't have patience on his emotions. That's why he's into the flighting mode. So that's why he may create a kind of a defenses कि okay, तुमने बोला है ना वो तुम जाके करो और ऐसे करो something, because he doesn't want to face that his creation or his child is into that developmental issue, or is not able to do okay with respect to the, I'm not calling as expectations, but with respect to the requirements. Okay, and that's the physical pain मोस्टली जितना एक मदर को होता है ना, उससे 10 गुना ज्यादा एक फादर को होता है. लेट मी टेल यू दैट. if there are fathers, they can put it, लेकिन since they are the physically strong, okay, उनके पास fight and flight करने की वजह से if they become emotional, then they either raise their voice or they will go out and do some overtime job so that they can bring more stability for the family or for their child tomorrow who's not able to do today. So what you're supposed to do, you start, I say the word papa, that papa is start doing what is necessary and what is possible. and try to convert, try to transfer those emotions, try to transfer those intentions, try to transfer the thoughts, try to transfer your belongingness, try to transfer your the reason why I'm so happy. Try to transfer it to the child with your mind, body, soul, and heart, not just superficially. Some falana professionals have told you. It should come from your heart, because and if he's there and you just and agar wo aana chahiye to just remember the best moment you had in your life with him, it will come for sure. Human being is reached here so far, it is because of his emotions. Agar emotions nahi hote to hum log aaj bhi जानवर होते. Okay, so it's very important that try to evolve, try to bring those emotions, try to reach out to those moments which you and he had maybe 4 years back, maybe 5 years back, maybe 1 year back, maybe few moments back, and try to think and be thankful to that pillar, and then you will be your right emotions will come, and start doing it every day. Start doing it every day. Then start bringing him into the picture when you are talking with your child. अभी पापा आ गए, देखो अभी ये खाना पड़ेगा, नहीं तो पापा आपको डांटेंगे जरूर, देखो पापा है. Slowly you are nicely driving his emotions to become a more authority in the family, which he's trying to fighting away, because he's not वो अपनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी झटक नहीं रहे, वो एक्चुअली उनको वो दर्द नहीं सहन होता है. दैट्स व्हाई इट्स नॉट इन्वॉल्व इन योर चाइल्ड्स डेवलपमेंट प्रोग्राम. लेकिन जब आप अपने माइंड, बॉडी, सोल एंड हार्ट से वो चीजें करना शुरू करेंगे, for that you need to stop doing the activities with your child and start playing with the child, so that you and child combination will be a wonderful scenario. Your passion, you being one, the child and mother being one, the father will get driven to that particular thing. He will leave his work and he will say, no, I also want to be a part of it. This is something great happening over here, and it will happen when you will go out of your expectations and you will try to connect with your child's biology, and that's very important. Thank you.
So next question is by one of our mothers. Being a single mother, how can I manage the situation? As my son is 2 years 6 months, in this years my son cannot feel his father's love.
Now you have to play both the roles. Whenever it is required, you can transit it from these things. A single mother is not necessary that you are this thing. In fact, it is more easier. Let me tell you, it is more easier. When one person is having one vision, he will definitely reach. But if there are two people with having one vision with 50% commitment, definitely they are going to have a lot of things. So you just create a vision in the end that after 1 year, I want to see my child is running like this thing, and I will also start running. So somewhere you have to play the roles of father with respect to masculinity, with respect to physical motor strength. See, your child is just a pitized, वो एक छोटा सा चूहा होगा अभी, right? Okay, वो 2 साल का होगा, 4 साल का होगा, 6 साल का होगा, 8 साल का होगा, तो आपसे उसकी ताकत तो कम ही है. Okay, so आपसे अगर उसकी ताकत कम है, तो definitely you can show your masculinity. Definitely you can play the father's role over there, wherever the masculinity is required over there. Okay, whenever the emotions are required, you are an emotional person. You can nicely go back to your place, and in that way, you will definitely become a very a complete person, for your child. So, but if you operate from some kind of a fear that, okay, father is not there, oh, something happened back and I lost him, or we had to separate, or something, it can be anything. But that is something, if you operate from your negative memories, then you are trying to transfer some kind of a fear over there, and you are operating from some kind of an inadequacy. But if you operate from the adequacy, कि my child wants to run and I will also run with the same pace, my child wants to jump and I will also jump with the same pace, believe me, you will become more younger and you will become more beautiful. At the same time, you will become more responsible person for your child. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir. It was a very enlightening lecture. All the parents have been enlightened with the same. And I think all of them are now looking out for the role of the father, which we all would have missed somewhere or the other. I would thank you for the evening and all our speakers. Over to you, Harshali ma'am. Thank you very much.